Sara Pfeifer, and I'm a registered dietitian with the Ponca tribe of Nebraska. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make Southwest egg rolls using an air fryer. So using a pastry brush, we're going to take egg wash here, and we're going to just rub that around the corners and the outsides here of the egg roll wrapper. Then we want to take about 1/3 cup of the chicken mixture and put that kind of towards one corner of the wrap. And we're going to fold over that bottom corner and then fold over the edges and the corners here. And we're just going to roll it. So that egg wash is going to help seal it. And what you can do is just rub some extra egg wash right over it. And then I also like to spray them a little bit with cooking oil to get it a little bit of that golden brown color when it's in the air fryer. So you're going to want to repeat all these steps until you can probably make about 10 to 12 with this batch here. So first we're going to want to spray the inside of the basket with some cooking spray. That way it doesn't stick to the bottom. I have already also preheated the air fryer to 400 degrees for about 5 minutes. Then you want to stick in your egg rolls, and you don't want to really overlap them. So everybody's air fryers might be a little bit different size, so however many you can fit. I got about 5 into this one without overlapping. So we'll set it for about 10 minutes at 400 degrees, and we're going to flip them halfway through. All right, and when the timer goes off, they should be ready. So we got some golden brown, crisp egg rolls to enjoy.